In the world of Pirates of the Caribbean, the winds of change are blowing, but one thing remains uncertain: the fate of Johnny Depp and Margot Robbie in the franchise. According to an insider report, Disney is still interested in bringing back both beloved actors, despite considering Austin Butler for a role. It's a delicate dance between risk and reward for the studio, as Depp's return would be expensive and risky due to his age and polarizing reputation. However, producer Jerry Bruckheimer is eager to see Depp reprise his iconic role as Captain Jack Sparrow, recognizing him as the artist who brought the character to life. While the potential of Butler and Robbie is undeniable, fans are holding out hope for one more adventure with Depp's swashbuckling Sparrow. So, will the Pirates ship sail with its original captain, or will a new era begin? Only time will tell, but the anticipation is electric for enthusiasts of Johnny Depp. Stay tuned for the latest updates on this thrilling saga.